Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, depending on where you are. This is a tutorial showing you how to create a glitch effect in Photoshop. You start by opening the graphic. What you do is press M on the keyboard to bring up the marquee tool, V to bring up the move tool, and then move the layers left to right, either using the cursor or the arrow keys. I've chosen to use a picture of Gorilla because it's the first picture I could find that was decent, and then from that you press C to bring up the crop tool and crop the image to fit the frame. Once you've done it vertically, you can go on to do this horizontally. So you follow the same procedure, or you can either use the marquee tool by pressing M on the keyboard, Command T to bring up the transform tool, and adjusting it over the scale of the image. I've also decided to add text, so you're pressing T on the keyboard to bring up a new layer, create a box and fill it with text. So just use my website, which is www.jgpartworker.com. Okay, so once you've done this, you do this horizontally as well as vertically. Press Command T on the keyboard to bring up the transform tool. You can just use the edit menu and scale the image up to the various aspect ratios you want to create. If you wanted to give it a more colourful, glitchy feel, you could press Command J to duplicate the layer, Command T to stretch the layer, Command Shift on either corner once you create the transform tool to change the perspective of it, and adjust the hues and saturations within the levels panel. Hope you enjoy this, and please let me know if you want to see any more tutorials in the future, or if there's anything you would like to see made or you would like to learn. Thanks and goodbye.